Here we are on the fourth Wednesday night session of the 36-week-long season. I'm finally back on track to maintaining all my end-of-season goals after a very poor performance on the first Monday night session of the season. Coming into tonight, I'm only 4% behind on my non-split spare average goal. I have achieved all my remaining goals. I simply need to maintain them. My combined league average is 205, my strike percentage is 57%, and my single pin spare percentage is 80%.
We want to wish an early and great and blessed birthday to Maddie O'Connor.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to string together any strikes to offset the couple of open frames I had in Game 1. The open I had in the fifth frame was due to me forgetting what board I was standing on for the first shot, and I lined up too far to the right, which caused the ball to hook high into the rack and left me a very difficult spare. Then I just simply missed the seventh pin in the second rack of the eighth frame.
Yeah, so they got that lead down
The practice I've done on making the 2-4-5 and 2-4-5-8 spares have paid off so far during this session. I spared the 2-4-5 in the 10th frame of Game 1, and I spared the 2-4-5-8 in the 3rd frame of Game 2. Although Game 2 was a clean game, meaning I didn't have any open frames, I only had 2 consecutive strikes. Had I struck in either the 7th or 9th frame, the score for Game 2 would have been over 220 rather than just over 200. I missed the 7-pin for the second time during Game 3. Had I made both 7 pins, I would have been 12 for 12 with single-pin spares during this session. I will definitely spend some practice time shooting the 7-pin spare. Overall, I don't think I did too bad during this session. With the exception of the 2 missed 7-pin spares, I did an excellent job at making single-pin spares. I need to continue making spares at the rate that I have over the past couple of sessions, while also focusing on stringing strikes together so that my average doesn't dip back below 200. I'm finishing the night only 2% behind on my non-split spare percentage goal. I'm still ahead in all of my other goals. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.